Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to give you a real quick update on our Case de Fuse project because, as you recall, last October, we got started thinking about that. We had done a tour of Papasidro and thought, we're going to do this project where we basically replicate the success, the massive success we had in Santa Domenica Talao, bringing people in, revitalizing the town, creating economy, jobs, and everything else, and it was a huge success. The locals are super pleased. So it's very interesting because I had mentioned that, and then a lot of stuff started happening and we started getting involved with other things, but it never left my mind that I really wanted to do this project and revitalize every hill town in Italy that's in danger of being abandoned or being left or anything like that. Any of them that are in danger of being underpopulated, let's say. In any case, it's very interesting because apparently the architect over there in Cerchiara di Calabria had seen our channel, and he got together with the agent there and said, hey, let's get a piece of this, so they reached out to Antonello and Antonio and Mima and Maria all got together, and we all took a day trip down there yesterday, and it was just lovely. And I want to show you this town because it is so cute, and basically we've replicated what we have in Santa Domenica Talao. We have an agent who will work for you. We have an architect who speaks English, by the way, on lockdown. He made a point of learning English. Very nice man, wonderful people, beautiful little Borgo with insane views of the Ionian Sea. And actually you can see Sibari from there, which is really awesome. If you remember your ancient Magna Graecia history, that was one of the main towns of the Magna Graecia. And the views from there are spectacular. It's got the white sand beaches very close by. It's got thermal springs, so the residents there don't have to pay for going to the thermal springs whenever they want to. And it's beautiful. I'm going to show you pictures of that. Probably not today, but they're going to send me some beautiful pictures of it up and rolling. It gets rolling in summertime. So a lot of things going on. In any case, keep your eye on Cerchiara di Calabria and that area right there, because we're going to be doing some things and you can snap up some really nice opportunities. Stay tuned now for the little tour of the village, and I'm going to pop in little films and videos of the surrounding area, including the epic lunch we have. I still have not eaten much since then because I'm still full, and that was yesterday at lunch, and today after lunch I'm still full. So anyway, there you go guys, take a look at this and let me know what you think. Okay, we're on the main street here. Here's a big palazzo, and then up there is the beautiful church.
Questa è la chiesa San Giacomo.
San Giacomo?
È vicino al comune.
Ah, ok.
Comune qui dietro.
Ok.
Sotto praticamente i ruderi del castello.
Sì, allora
aragonese.
Ok, e questa è la chiesa madre del borgo, vero?
Del posto, sì.
Sì, bellissima. Ok. Okay, this big house right here that actually goes around and turns the corner used to be just a huge abandoned building, and our agent's brother redid this. He's an engineer here. It was a hostel. Era un ostello per I ragazzi.
Adesso è un ostello per ragazzi. Era una vecchia casa, adesso è un ostello per I ragazzi.
Ah, okay, now it's a hostel for
Tutto
kids.
ristrutturato.
All redone. Beautiful, beautiful. And here we are in front of the main church. This is the Church of San Giacomo? San Giacomo. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful church. Look at it. It's so pretty. And then you can see the rest of the Borgo up there. Very beautiful. All of these older buildings are so beautiful, and they're all made of stone, the local stone. This is only one little piece. Cerchiara is a good-sized little borgo, and there's all kinds of new stuff happening here. Very exciting.
Allora, il primo insediamento di Cerchiara è antichissimo. Non si conosce neanche l'origine, ma si parla addirittura dell'età del ferro. Comunque, quel castello che noi vediamo di fronte è del periodo aragonese. E dopo, il grosso del paese è sorto dopo via da sotto a scendere, e siamo nel il boom delle costruzioni sono arrivate nel Medioevo, ecco.
Ah, ok, ok.
Anche se nel 700.
Bello, bello, bello.
Trebisaccio, Villa Piana di fronte,
Ah, okay, Villa
dove
Piana's
eravamo,
in
Hotel
front.
Corallo,
Ah, okay, okay, that's where we were.
Center.
Yeah, and then Sibari is off to the right.
Sibari,
Sibari
Magna Grecia.
from the Magna Grecia. And then over here is Trebisaccia. Okay, bella, bella vista. You could have this view
Questo è
if
il
you
golfo
want.
di Sibari.
Dietro
Wow, there goes the election mobile. Okay, take a look at that. This view is spectacular. And we're right next to the Comune. And this borgo is so cute. It's all kinds of little vias that go up and down and all around. And it's kind of like the Crooked Mile, and you just walk around and explore. It's just beautiful. And there go the church bells. Must be lunchtime. Up this little via, and this looks like the center of town here. You've got what looks like the supermarket right here. Over there, you've got mobili, which is furniture. You've got a bar. You've got a trattoria where you eat, and you've got this cute little bar here. And we're going to sit down and have a soda and enjoy this beautiful Sunday. Look at this beautiful building. Apparently there are a lot of properties available here because the community has shrunk quite a bit and they are very interested in growing it again. So why don't we get a bunch of people here and start renovating houses and living here. It's just such a beautiful borgo. And I'll tell you something too, there's a breeze up here. Down below it was quite hot. It's not super hot up here. So if you're not a super high summer person, this might be perfect for you.